Hello. Guided meditation to extending our personal social energy. Science confirms that we absorb energy from each other. This energy can heal, inspire, or destroy. Just like how trees communicate with each other through the underground root system in nature, so we must understand to cultivate ourselves first, to affect our immediate surroundings, and reactions to bring about a more pleasant situation and change in our lives. Imagine your mind is like a garden and your thoughts are the seeds. You get to choose what seeds you plant in your garden and what weeds to destroy. You can plant seeds of positivity, love, hope, faith, and abundance. Or you can plant seeds of negativity, fear, hate, and shame. You can spend time trying to take care of everyone else's garden. Or you can work on making yours more beautiful and attract other beautiful people into your garden. What seeds are you planting in your garden today? And what weeds do you need to get rid of? Remember to change or resoil your garden just like your mind needs to reset and pause in thoughts. Until you change your mindset once in a while, you will only recycle your past experiences. Use this time to rebuild, reflect, and understand yourself more. Self-awareness of our human nature brings us the ability to bear all things, believe in all things, hope of all things, endure all things. Be the type of person that no matter where you are or where you go, you will always add value to the lives of those around you.